Class 9. Good morning, sir. I'm Sanjay from class 9. I'm going to explain about the structure of neuron. A neuron, also known as a nerve cell, is a unit nervous system which transmits electrical signals and messages between the brain and the body. Different parts of the neuron are in the cell body, axon, nerve ending, and dendrites. Axon receives electrical signals in the form of action potentials. Dendrites receive electrical signals from the other neurons which are connected to the axon. Ending receive electrical signals which are converted into chemical signals. And there are some dendrites of other neurons. The neuron is the longest neuron information presented in the body. Thank you.
My name is Kirti K from class 8. My model is plant cell. Plant cells are the eukaryotic cells along with the nucleus. It also includes various structures, functions, and that are called organelles. Plant cell structure is just like organelles within the body. It also includes various components are known as cell organelles. Some of them are nucleus, nucleolus, endoplasm, rice fascia, ribosomes, cytoplasm, ammoplast, chloroplast, cell wall, cell membrane, mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi apparatus. The functions of plant cell is to photosynthesis. The process of making photosynthesis by utilizing sunlight, carbon dioxide, water is known as photosynthesis. The energy is produced in the form of ATP in the process steps.
ಶುಭ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಸರ್. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮೂರ್ತಿ. ನಾನು 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ವಿಷಯ ನಗರದ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯ. ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಪರಿಚಯ. ನದಿಯರು ಮತ್ತು ಮಹಾರಾಯರ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣಾಂಶ ಪಡೆಯುವ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತದ ಮೇಲ್ಮಯ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದ ರಾಜಧಾನಿ. ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹರಿಹರ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಮನೆತನಗಳು ಆಳಿದವು. ಆ 4 ಮನೆತನಗಳು ಸಂಗಮನ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಅರಳಿ
Good morning, sir. My name is Harish. Today I have the A section and my subject is English and my topic is types of nouns. A noun is a person, place, animal, or things. There are types of nouns. First is common noun. A common noun is anything given in object such as person, topic, etc. Example, the dress she wore was beautiful. The dress is also called common noun. Proper noun. A proper noun is the name given to a particular person, animal, etc. Example, Rupali is our guest for today. Rupali is also called proper noun. Next is material noun. The kind of nouns that describes material or substance used to make things. Example, the princess wore a silk gown. Silk gown is also called material noun. Next is countable noun. The noun that may be counted such as pencils, pens, books, animals, plants, fruits, trees, etc. Example, I have 10 pens to present. 10 pen name is also known as countable noun. Next is uncountable noun. The noun that cannot be counted are known as uncountable noun. Example, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is also called uncountable noun. Next is concrete noun. Concrete noun are the types of nouns that are distinguishable by one of the five senses and can be physically felt or touched. Example, the pizza is yummy. The pizza is also called concrete noun. This is abstract noun. Abstract noun cannot be physically sensed through touch, sight, taste, sound, or smell. Example, his honesty differs personality. Honesty is also called abstract noun. Next is qualitative noun. A noun that refers to the group of people, animals, or things as a single entity. Example, family, name, head, etc. are collective nouns. Next is component. A component that refers to the made up of two or more words. Example, toothbrush, Kashmir corn, blackboard, etc. are components. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Shashni. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Shashni. I am studying class 6 high school in Kerala. I am grade number 12. Some Sunday Manoj star releases like there are Mercury is known as college planet. Mercury is known as college planet. Venus is known as morning star. And that is the planet who made life exist. Mars is the latest planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Saturn made a ring which made extra times. Uranus is the blue planet. Uranus is the blue planet. Neptune is the coldest planet next to Sun. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Juma. I am saying class 6. My model name is Juma. The basic measurements is data length, height, capacity. Those are metric system of length. Those are metric system of capacity. Standard unit of meter is standard unit of meter is if we go down to operation 1 to divide Good morning, sir. Myself Vasudha from class 8. Today I would like to talk about some volume and surface area of any shapes. The tangent shape, also known as solid, has the surface area and volume. Let us explore some key formulas. Cylinder, volume, pi r square h. Rail laser, surface area 2 pi r h. Total surface area 2 pi r r plus h. Understanding these formulas, it is useful, extremely useful for solving practical problems, designing containers, calculating capsules, etc. Thank you. ಶುಭೋದಯ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವಿನೋದಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ Good morning, sir. I'm Shapriya from NET, and my model is reflection and refraction of light. When the light passes in the water, it will not be straight and it will be slightly bent in the water, because water is the denser medium of light. And when it falls on the light mirror, it will bounce back. It is known as reflected. The where the light is kept is known as incident. And here, after the reflection, it forms an emergent ray, because air is a rarer medium of the light. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Ankita from class 9. My topic is about the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. It is from and it took 22 years to build the Taj Mahal and thousands of people to build it. It is a symbol of love. It is made up of white marble and on the river Yamuna in Agra, the state of Uttar Pradesh. But slowly now, the Taj Mahal is turning to yellow color because of the pollution. So due to this, in September 1996, the Taj Mission Pollution Management Board was set up as per suggestions of the Supreme Court of India. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sharika from class 9. My topic is about election process and EVM machine, electronic voting machine. In election process, there will be submitted first step is election notification, nomination of candidates, committee of nomination, job nomination papers, election planning, voting day, voting of questions, and the subject process of the election process. And this is the Indians national participation, BJP, Congress, Aam Aadmi Party, Bahujan Samaj Party, National People's Party, Communist Party of India. These are the 6 parties of India. And if you want to not want to vote for any parties, you can choose for quota, and you will not go for any parties, and it will come like if you press the button of the parties, it will come to the
Good morning, sir. My name is Pragati. I am studying science and my model is the layers of the earth. There are 4 layers of the earth. The first layer is the crust. The crust is a layer that is made up of organic materials such as water, minerals, and plants. The second layer is mantle. The mantle is the layer which is made up of mineral and nature. And its temperature goes up to 500 to 800 degrees Celsius. And the third layer is outer core. The outer core is the layer which is made up of many organic materials such as aluminum, magnesium, and a small amount of sulfur. And its Fahrenheit can go up to 800 to 4,600 degrees Fahrenheit, and Celsius can go up to 5,000 to 6,000 Celsius. And the last layer is the inner core. The inner core is the hottest layer of the earth, and its Fahrenheit can go up to 7,600 to 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವಿನೋದ್. ನಾನು 8ನೇ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ವಿದೇಶಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.